Hi everyone. Welcome back to the Nestlings by Robin 2023 Introduction to Embroidery Calendar series. We are now filming for the month of August, and this month we are going to do the cute little chain stitch. I love this stitch. It's so versatile and easy to combine with any of the other stitches. I know if you're looking at your calendar, I was a little out of order last time, but that's okay because this works out really well. August's chain stitch leads really well into September's split stitch, and you'll get a chance to kind of see the difference in both of them. This month's video is going to be short and sweet while we just take a look at how to actually do the stitch itself. And then next month, I'll show you a comparison side by side for the chain stitch and the split stitch in September. So let's take a look at, here we go. We have August's cute little tulip flower here. And I'm gonna bring this up to the camera a little better so you can see the little stitches here. Some are smaller than others. You can change the look of your chain stitch just by how far out you place your stitch and also how tight you pull your stitches. Tightness will play a huge factor in whether you get bigger loops or skinnier loops. Let's put that right there for now. And we're going to take a quick peek at how to do these stitches. So over here, I'll show you I have started, and you'll see all of these stitches are the same length, believe it or not. And you get into one like this that looks a little wider, and then I did 3 that are skinnier, and then a wide one, and then 3 or 4 more skinny ones. And that was all in how I pulled it. Up here, I'll show you how to end that, but right now I want to show you how to start these. Super simple. You just come up wherever you want to start. I should have started at the line, at the end of the line, but that's okay. And you just start wherever you want to start. And then you take your thread and loop it. Oops. Or pull it too hard and have to loop it again. Okay. So you come up, and to do these stitches, you're going to go back in where you came up. And you're going to bring your needle out a stitch lengths away, however long you want your stitches to be. And I like to make my loop ahead of time so that then I can just come up into the middle of the loop like that. Now see here, oops, see here we have a nice wide, you'll see I just came up in through that stitch. You have a nice wide one right here. But if I bring this thread toward me just a little bit and give it more of a pull, it gets smaller and thinner just by how I did it. Now, if you don't want to do your looping first, you don't have to, but always make sure that you go down, watch, and go down in where that thread came out, okay? Into the background, come up 1 stitch length away. Now, if you didn't loop your thread ahead of time, that's okay. You can take it over here to the left and you just loop it around the end of your needle. You didn't miss anything. And then just give it a gentle tug and then go back in where that thread came out. Stitch length away or drop it. And there you go. You just keep making them as you go. That's it. That's all there is to it. One more time for luck. In where the thread came out. Let's do a long one just to show you the difference. Here's a nice long one. And as I pull it, you get a nice big long one like that. And to finish these is even easier. Watch this. Just go down where that thread came out. Pull it to the back like that. Done. Turn it over, knot it off, you're good to go. Super easy, super fun. Completely changes the look of a straight line so that you don't have, just a plain straight, whether it is a stem stitch or you did a back stitch or a running stitch, whatever stitch you did. This adds weight and bulk, but you don't necessarily have to change your thread weight in order to change the bulk of the line. So great versatile stitch. Can't wait to see what you do with it. Join me in September when we do a side-by-side comparison. And in the meantime, keep stitching.